Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign in Glassdoor with Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So to sign in Glassdoor with your Facebook account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Glassdoor app. So once you have tapped open the Glassdoor application, you will end up in this kind of interface where you will be given options to get signed in into your account. So from there, simply tap on continue with Facebook. After you have done this, you will be redirected into this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply get logged in into your Facebook account to connect to your Glassdoor. So once you have typed in your credentials of your Facebook account, your Glassdoor account will be automatically synced with your Facebook and you can get logged in into your Glassdoor account following the on-screen prompts. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.